What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and wealth is you? That's right. It's not the economy, it's not bad luck, and it's definitely not because only the rich get richer. It's about the things you are doing every day, often without even realizing it, that are stopping you from becoming rich. In this video, we are going to expose the 5 things that are holding you back from building the life of your dreams. So stick around because by the end you will know exactly what's blocking your wealth and how to fix it. The very first reason is fear of failure. What if I lose all my money? What if my business flops? Sounds familiar? Fear of failure is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck in mediocrity. If you're constantly playing it safe, you will never take the calculated risks necessary to grow your wealth. Imagine if Steve Jobs or Elon Musk let fear dictate your decisions. We wouldn't have iPhones or Tesla. Successful people fail forward. They take risks, learn from their mistakes, and come back stronger. So, how do you overcome this? Simple. Start small. Make calculated, manageable risks and build your confidence over time. Just remember the only true failure is never trying. The second reason is not focusing on increasing your income. I need to save more. While saving money is great, it's not the secret sauce to wealth. Sure, cutting out that daily coffee might save you a few bucks, but it's not going to make you rich. The real game changer, making more money and investing. Wealthy people focus on increasing their income streams, not just tightening their belts. Whether it's starting a side hustle, learning new skills to land a higher paying job, or finding ways to make your money work for you through investments, the key is to grow your income, not just save more of it. Think of it like this: there is no cap on how much money you can make, but there is definitely a limit to how much you can cut back. So instead of obsessing over saving pennies, shift your focus to earning dollars. It's about scaling up, not shrinking down. Lack of financial education is the third reason people not getting rich. Unfortunately, money doesn't come with a user manual. Most of us were never taught how to manage money, invest, or build wealth in school. And guess what? That's holding you back big time. You don't have to be a financial genius, but knowing the basics like how to budget, invest, and understand interest rates make a huge difference. The rich spend time learning how money works, and you should do it too. And the good news is, there are tons of free resources out there: books, podcasts, YouTube videos like this one, all waiting to help you become a money master. Start with the basics, and soon you will know exactly how to make your money work for you. The next reason is procrastination. I will start saving next month. I will invest when I have more money. Ever said that? Well, guess what? Procrastination is one of the biggest wealth killers out there. Waiting for the perfect moment means you are losing valuable time. And when it comes to building wealth, time is one of your best assets. The sooner you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Even small investments can grow into something massive over time. And the solution is starting now. Even if it's just $50 a month in a saving account or investment, future you will be living that millionaire life, while past you is thankful for getting started early. The fifth reason of not becoming rich is environment and mindset. There is a quote out there that says, You are the average of the five people you spend the most time with. It's true. If you are surrounded by people who have no ambitions, laugh complaining about money, and never take action, it's going to rub off on you. Wealthy people surrounded themselves with other like minded, driven individuals who push them to do better. So, take a look at your circle. Are they inspiring you or holding you back? Plus, your mindset is just as important. Do you believe you deserve wealth, or do you think it's only for other people? Spoiler alert, wealth is for everyone willing to work for it, and that includes you. So surround yourself with winners and adopt a positive, abundant mindset. So, there you have it. These five things are stopping you from becoming rich. But now you know how to flip the script. Overcome your fear of failure, focus on increasing your income, educate yourself about money, start now, and upgrade your mindset and environment. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time. And before you know it, you will be living the life you have always dreamed of. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more content on how to take control of your financial future. Good luck, see you.